In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter customer opening balance in QuickBooks. We'll bring a customer's outstanding balance into your books so accounts receivable starts off accurate. Begin by signing into QuickBooks and heading to the top menu. Open the Sales and Get Paid area so you're working within your sales tools. On the left-hand panel, choose Products and Services. We're going to create a simple item that represents the opening balance, which makes it easy to place that amount on an invoice. Select Create Items and give the item a clear name like Opening Balance. Set the item type to Service. Choosing Service is important here. This isn't inventory you buy or sell. It's just a placeholder that lets you put the balance on an invoice cleanly. Confirm Service as the type, then save the item. If you see Save and New, go ahead and click that to store what you've just created. Now shift back to the left panel and open Invoices. Create a new invoice. This invoice is how you'll record what the customer already owed you before you started in QuickBooks. First, add the customer so the balance is tied to the right account. Next, choose payment terms to match how you normally bill that customer. This helps QuickBooks calculate the due date automatically. Set the invoice date and the due date. Typically, the invoice date should reflect your conversion date or the date you want the opening balance to take effect. Then choose a service date. You can align this with the invoice date for consistency, since we're not billing for actual work performed on that day. In the Product Service column, select the opening balance item you just created. In the Amount field, enter the outstanding amount the customer owes. This is the exact total from your prior records, and it's what will become the customer's starting balance in QuickBooks. If you track taxes, make sure the tax setting reflects whether this balance should be taxable based on your historical documentation. Review the invoice details one more time to confirm the customer, dates, and amount are correct. When everything looks good, click Save. You can save without sending this invoice to the customer, since it's primarily an internal setup step to establish the balance in your ledger. That's it. You've created a dedicated opening balance service item, used it on a new invoice for the customer, and saved it to record the amount they already owed. Repeat these steps for each customer who has an outstanding balance, and your accounts receivable will start in QuickBooks clean and accurate.